After glaciers is wind erosion. Okay, so our first topic is formation and erosion of glaciers, and the first part is formation of glaciers.
So glaciers form in places where more snow falls than it melts.
And as more snow falls, underlying snow tightly packs and causes pressure, which forms tightly packed sheets of thick ice.
Then lots of pressure from this ice causes the ice on the bottom of the glacier to melt, and then this causes the whole glacier to slide.
The next part
is erosion and deposition of glaciers.
And as glaciers slide across the land, they move and they break the rock under them.
So then this sliding ice widens cracks in the rock, and it causes it to loosen up, and this is known as abrasion.
And the last one is called plucking, and this is when loose sediment freezes at the bottom of the glacier and scrapes rock as it moves. And yeah, okay. Next part is types of glaciers.
So there are two types of glaciers. One is a valley glacier, and that's a glacier that occurs in like a high mountain valley.
And the next one is continental glaciers, which is a thick sheet of ice that covers a huge area and is constantly moving. They're the most well known because they're in like
Antarctica.
Okay, the next part is wind erosion and how wind causes erosion. So when wind blows, it pulls material and sediment up from the ground, and after a period of time, gravity pulls it back down to its original place.
And then when this sediment gets pulled back down by gravity, it collides with other pieces of rock and sediment on the ground, and it loosens them, and then it brings them back up with the wind. And then when this happens repeatedly, the surface of the ground like begins to lower because of all the rock and like loosened sediment that's being taken up,
which is known as deflation. After wind erosion is wind deposition.
When wind slows down, it drops or deposits all the sediment it was carrying, and this can form many physical features such as sand dunes and loess deposits.
Oh, hey, didn't see you there. An example of that would be something like
Your butthole shooting out.
What is Liv doing?
As glacier
Yeah, look at you, boy.
I invented you.
Gucci tennis